guys, welcome to ToolSplit. Today we are unboxing the latest of the latest from Samsung. It's the S21 Ultra. This takes over in terms of the king of the hill from the Note 20 5G. Note 20 Ultra 5G, yeah, you know, they love that Ultra name. So let's take a look. On the cover, you got that subtle Samsung branding that lets the S stand in front and the big 21 behind. In the top corner, there's a 24-month warranty for Africa. It's in big and bold, just in case we're worried we're gonna break it. Don't be fooled by that 24-month. There is specific things it covers, so read your warranty carefully. On the side, there's the Samsung logo. On the other side, there's the Galaxy branding. Since we bought this in Africa, this is most likely the Exynos version of the chip. It is a 256 RAM. Oh, 256 ROM. Okay, so storage 256 and 12 gigs of RAM. Okay, so let's get into the box this way here. Let's just chop it open. Okay, so this is the phone. Let's take out the main device, put it on the side. Looks beautiful. Looks black. Everything black. The way I like it. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side for a second. Let's see what else is in the box. It's a pretty flat box, so I guess they're gonna go the way Apple went. That's, I don't know, product tag or something. Let's put that to the side. This is that's new. Typically, the reading materials would be here. Oh, okay, yeah, there you go. Quick start guide. The stuff we never read. And yeah. Put that to the side. Put that to the side. This is the USB-C charging cable, and that's it. They really, Apple started a trend here. They took out the power brick. There is no power brick. They figured there are probably power bricks everywhere right now. Buy your own power brick. Hence why the boxes are so flat. Thanks, Apple. Much appreciated. So let's get to the device itself. Wow, it looks really shiny. Let's peel off the front cover. That is satisfying. Let's flip it to the back. Let's peel off the back cover. Oh, look at that material. Let's peel off the lenses. Great. So it still has a bump back here. If you take a closer look at the lenses, let me move it a little bit closer to the camera so you can see. Yeah, you see the hump is still there. If I turn it to the side a bit, you see that it's still protruding to the side. Yeah, you see that? Still jutting out. But on the other side, what they've done is that they sort of melded it into the side of the body. So the camera flows into the frame, into the steel frame at the side, which is not bad. Not bad at all. It's matte black, so it's less of a fingerprint magnet. Not gonna leave any fingerprints, which is solid. I love it. I love the way it feels. Great. Okay, to the front, this massive, beautiful AMOLED display. Okay, let's see if we can power it up, see if we have any juice. So it's a 120 Hz display, HDR 10 plus. It hits 1,500 nits of peak brightness. I don't remember the rest. But the argument has been said that the Exynos chip is catching up to the Snapdragon. The Snapdragon 888 is probably what you get if you bought this in the US, but we get the Exynos 2100, I believe. It does do slightly better on some of the Geekbench tests against the Snapdragon, but in general, the Snapdragon still is faster in terms of battery life. And I did complain in my last video. About how my Note 20 Ultra still struggled a bit to get through the rest of the day because of that 4,500 milliamp battery. But this comes with a 5,000 milliamp battery, so it should be solid. It should be great. Here we are on the beautiful home screen. Let's swipe around and see what it looks like. Pretty fluid, of course, as expected. Let's see what the button, the sides. You should have the same button arrangement still apply. You got the power button. Have your volume rocker. We still have some bits of nylon on the side, so let's just peel that off. Samsung has sort of moved it forward, and I think they're trying to also get rid of the Note. I'm not so sure because this supports stylus input and options. It does have dual firing speakers. Yeah, but like I said, no expandable memory card. And that's it. It's a beautiful looking phone. If we twirl around, this look. It looks beautiful. I really especially like the back. It's very matte and professional, if that's the word to use. But I love it. It looks great. And that's it for the unboxing, guys. I will get back to you with the full review when we put it through its paces. Look out for that video coming soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Take care.